Hey, what is going on? What is crack-a-lackin', y'all? It is your girl Tracy with Ascension 225, Tarot and Oracle. What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? What's happening? I am doing some love messages, and you know what? This is for Taurus. Taurus, this is your season, but you know what? You only have about another 10 or so days before it's over. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I at least gave you a bonus love reading before Gemini takes over. Oh yeah, baby. Gemini is waiting patiently behind the scenes, all right? So enjoy your revolution around the sun, my beautiful Taurus. Harness this energy under your sign and make it work for you, okay? All right, you guys. So we're going to talk about love. What is going on over the next few weeks for our Taurians, the bulls? What's happening in your life, in your love life, mainly your love life? We've got some cards of, I've got 2 tarot decks, how each person feels about Taurus collective. Also, a few oracle decks that have already been prayed over, meditated over, and shuffled. And then I've got maybe some cards for folks who may be separated or maybe broken up, maybe the energy between you guys. All right, so we're gonna make it short and sweet, but we're gonna make sure that our Taurians are equipped with the energy that they needed, what they need to hear, what they need to see, what they need to feel as far as their love life is concerned. And then we're going to say over the next 30 days, okay? All right. So Taurians, my sun, moon, rising Taurians, this is your reading, or cross watchers for those specific Taurians in your life. This is your reading as well. Everyone is welcome here. Just make sure you take your shoes off before you enter the sanctuary, because we're all prayed up here. Everything has been meditated over, and we are ready to rock and roll with spirit. Find you a nice cozy spot. Roll you one, drink you one. It doesn't matter. I don't care. All I care about is what you get off this table right here, okay? That can edify your spirit, point you in the right direction, give you that spiritual hug you need, whatever. All right? We're about to get into it, Taurus. This is a collective reading, not a personal. So if you need a personal where I can tap into your specific energy, look below in the description box. All my information is there. Here it is, too. Ascension 225 tarot at gmail.com. But everything's in the description box, you guys, to contact me. If you need a reading, if you need an emergency reading, put please emergency reading in the subject where I can get a hold of you ASAP, okay? All right, you guys. Before we even get started, please do your girl a favor. The channel's 2 years old. We're continuing to grow. We just went over 25K. Yay! Ascension 225 Tarot and Oracle Collective. We are on fire. So you guys go ahead and hit that like button right now. Support your girl. Share with anybody that you think will like this content. And most importantly, I give away a free reading at the beginning of every month to a random subscriber. So if you would like the opportunity to win a free 30-minute reading with yours truly, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications of all the dope content that comes out. All right, you guys? So we're about to jump into it, Taurus. Did you find your cozy spot already? Because we're about to get rocking and rolling. All right. So this is going to be Taurus. No, this is going to be Taurus, and this is going to be Taurus's person, all right? How they feel about one another. Before we get started, though, I wanted to show you a few things. I wanted to first show you the charms. I have charms here in this cup, and so I was just kind of swirling the cup around, and whatever charm fell out, I took it. So I want to show you what came out for you, Taurus. Part of an angel wing. All right, so I feel like this is divine intervention, divine guidance, divine protection. You are being guided and watched over. Okay. I've got a mermaid here. A mermaid signifies not only beauty, and we are in Venus season, because Venus season is Taurus season. All things beautiful, right? All things sexy, beautiful. Mermaids are all about intuition and being tapped in and tuned in to your intuition, using that discernment. And this is all about abundance and blessings. Might have to do with a water sign as well. I've got a wish sign. All right, wish upon a star, right? Wish upon that star energy, that Aquarian energy, that tethering that we have to spirit that guides us as we have hope, faith, and we wish, right? Maybe a wish is being granted to you, Taurus, very possibly. I have a heart here. And coincidentally, we're talking about romance. We're talking about love. And it says, made with love. So something that is important to you is made with love. Or this is about love for you. Okay. And then we have apple. Some of you may be going through some sort of studies or education. You may be learning something new. You may be trying to eat more apples, or more apples and more fruits and vegetables. This is about knowledge right here. This apple is about knowledge, and this apple is about abundance. Okay, so I love that. Maybe somebody's a teacher even. Okay, maybe you're a teacher, Taurus. Or maybe that's your soul's purpose, is being a teacher of some type. But that's beautiful. I love that. And then I asked Holy Spirit, as far as your love life is concerned, whether you guys are in a loving, harmonious situation, or some of you may be even experiencing a split or a divorce or anything like that. But we'll find out in the tarot, and we'll also find out in the oracle decks that have already been prayed over and pre-shuffled. Okay, so I asked for one major arcana from the 22 and Spirit, and this is just in reference to your love life, okay, or that special someone in your life. And I got a Strength card. This is that Leo energy. Strength, intestinal fortitude, being strong, being courageous, all right, brave energy. I love that. Because, love is all about taking a risk, right? Some people never love because they are afraid to take that risk and give their heart to somebody. But we're talking about love here, and sometimes you just have to throw caution to the wind, and you just have to rely on Spirit and all that you know. But to be courageous and brave, to want to experience and go through all of the beautiful ups and downs and highs and lows and in-betweens, and of being in a connection, a loving connection with another human being, another spiritual being. So it could be a beautiful journey. So congrats to you for having this overall strength energy and taking a risk. Just, hey, let's throw the dice, and whatever happens, because I have hope and faith that Spirit is never going to put me in a situation that's going to be detrimental. Only I can do that for myself, right? By having free will. All right, so listen, let's get into it. The cards have already been prayed over, meditated, and I'm going to show you. This is Taurus energy, and this is your person. I'm going to show you the energy before I shuffle, and I've got Judgment. All right. So before we shake up the energy, I'm showing you what's already there, and we've got somebody making some judgment calls here. What are you making judgment calls about, Taurus? People, places, and things in your life. Out with the old, in with the new. Things that don't matter anymore, gotta go. I don't know. But this is definitely, blowing that trumpet and making those judgment calls. And if you're not making these judgment calls for your own life, no matter what's going on in your life, then Spirit will jump in there and will do it for you. This is all about choices and self-realizations, looking in the mirror and taking stock of your life and who's in your life and what's happening in your life, right? Reflecting and coming to those judgment calls like, this is what I need in my life, and this is what I no longer need in my life, right? I need something to edify me, to strengthen me, to support me and gird me up. All right, what's in the middle? The King of Pentacles. Oh my goodness. Taurus is all about that moolah, yo. Oh yeah. All about that money and that business, right? Yes, making that guap. That's what it is. You see that, Taurus? You see that bull right there? Oh, it's a bull market. Oh yeah. Look at you. Look at you. And even wanting to stash some money away, for future endeavors, which is very awesome. All right, Holy Spirit. How does Taurus feel, or how does Taurus view or feel about the person, the person that they are, that has their heart, the person that makes their heart go thumpity thump thump, you know what I mean? Can you please show us the energy on that? One more shuffle. Show us the energy on that, Holy Spirit. What Taurus's person feels about Taurus. Well, how does Taurus feel about their person? All right. How does Taurus feel about their person? Holy Spirit, I just saw a card turn over. I've got the Two of Pentacles. How does Taurus feel about their person? The person that has their heart. The person that makes their heart sing. I've got a Three of Swords in reverse. That's beautiful. What else, Holy Spirit? How does Taurus feel about their person? The person that they think about, that occupies space in their head and doesn't pay any rent. All right. What does... whoa. Where did that card just go? Hold on. Wow. Okay. I do not like to take cards that fall on the floor. Honestly, I don't. But I'm going to show it to you and then I'm going to stick it back. I've got the Strength card in reverse. Alright, so maybe somebody not feeling strong, maybe somebody not feeling courageous at some point. Having internal conflicts, lack of courage, indecision, and insecurity. You know what? Spirit says keep it, and I'm going to. Alright. And I have a Ten of Cups on the bottom. This is the ultimate love connection. This is that sacred union that, it's about a divine connection. It's about that love that touches you on a cellular level, right? Yeah, the ultimate. All right, So one more for how Taurus views their person. How does Taurus view their person at this time, Holy Spirit? And this is for the next few weeks. How does Taurus view their person? Okay, I got two more. So let's see what we have here. We've got the Hermit and the Six of Pentacles. And on the bottom, we have the Queen of Wands. So this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy. The Queen of Wands is, you know, being the first out the gate for the zodiac. They're all on fire, going towards what they love, what they desire, people, places, or things. It doesn't matter. She might be a practitioner of some kind. The Queen of Wands is beautiful, sexy, smart. People are drawn to this Queen of Wands energy. This queen may also dibble or dabble in an esoteric type of spiritual practice. All right, you see her altar is set up here, and all of her, you know, oils and stuff, and she has that black cat. So, yep, the Queen of Wands. Doesn't have to be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but it's just, they just follow their passions, okay? All right, so we're going to leave that there. We're going to talk about this. So we've got the Two of Pentacles. So this is how you view your person, or you feel about your person. You feel maybe that, you know, you're dealing with either a balanced individual, somebody, a Two of Pentacles. Twos are all about, you know, making choices, making decisions, but maybe somebody is, you know, doing their best to stay balanced while juggling life in general. And it could also have to do with their finances, right? Sometimes you got to rob Peter to pay Paul, right? Yeah, you know what I mean? So maybe just somebody's trying to stay balanced and afloat financially. Hopefully this is not somebody juggling another person. I have the Three of Swords here. See, this is the Three of Swords upright. And you see somebody's doing a tarot reading. Same type of cards that we have here. Same backing. Somebody is getting a tarot reading. Or maybe they did their own tarot reading. I don't know. But, yeah. The Three of Swords is all about heartbreak. Maybe somebody suffered a heartbreak, and that's why they're going towards looking and getting a tarot reading, either on YouTube or paying someone, you know, actually going somewhere and sitting down for one. Three of Swords is heartbreak, but this is in the reverse, and Three of Swords in the reverse is somebody who is healing. Yeah, this is healing energy, you know what I mean? Somebody's letting go, moving on, healing from heartbreak. And I've got the Strength card, as we talked about in the reverse, but then we have it here in the upright. And then I've got the Hermit and the Six of Pentacles in the crossing. Crossing energy for me is either very strong energy or blockages, okay? So we have the Hermit, which is Virgo energy, and the Hermit goes inward, right? You saw the Judgment card earlier. The Judgment could be you making judgment calls about you and your life and what's happening, you know, and making decisions from there, right? But you have to go inward in order to be able to make those choices, make those decisions. Like, you really got to go deep. And the Hermit goes deep. This is that Virgo energy. The Hermit goes deep and really thinks about some things and communes with spirit in order to get those deeper messages on which direction to go. So it's temporary isolation. And then we've got the Six of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles is all about, you know, reciprocal behavior. You give, I give. You take, I take. Equally. Right? Equally. It's equal give and take. It's reciprocity. It's generosity. It's good fortune. Right? It's being, you know, it's just, but this is crossing energy. I feel like this may be blocked energy right here. All right, so let's go ahead and check your person. I've got the Eight of Torches in the reverse. I mean, the Eight of Torches upright. The Eight of Torches is the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands is all about somebody wanting to take action. All right, somebody really excited about wanting to take action here. All right, and what do we have in the middle for your person? We've got the Prince of Cups, the Knight of Cups. The Knights are messengers. Somebody wants to send a message of love. You know, I mean, Knights are pretty young energy, like, you know, teenage, early 20 type-ish energy. But this, you know, this prince would like to rush in and give somebody a message of love. This could also be in night energy because it could be something that's new. And that's why it's showing up in night energy. But somebody wants to maybe profess their love or give a message of love here. All right, Holy Spirit. Ooh, it just... All right, what do we have here? This is for Taurus's person. This is for Taurus's person. How does Taurus's person feel about them, Holy Spirit? How does Taurus's person feel about them? This is the Taurus that holds your heartstring. What does Taurus's person want to say to Taurus who Taurus has their heartstring? All right. Okay. So what's on the bottom? We've got Eight of Swords. Somebody all in their head. Somebody all in their head. Damn. Ugh. The Eight of Swords is like somebody maybe feeling stuck or self-imprisonment because all these thoughts and all. Somebody just, this is like self-sabotage type of energy. But so how does Taurus's person feel about Taurus? How does Taurus's person feel or view Taurus? How does Taurus's person who got the Eight of Swords again? How does Taurus's person view Taurus at this time? Whoa. Six of Swords, High Priestess, Four of Swords, Five of Cups, and Five of Swords. Oh, damn. On the bottom, conflict and chaos. Oh, shit. Damn. Five of Swords. That's like, it's like never being on the same page, arguing, not coming to any conclusions, not having unresolved situations, not seeing eye to eye, conflict. Okay, believe me, conflict. All right, that's awesome. Let's put this off to the side. So how does Taurus's person feel about Taurus? They feel, Taurus, that they feel a sense of entrapment, a sense of maybe self-sabotage. Maybe they feel this is how your person feels about you. Maybe they feel like you self-sabotage the situation or sabotage the situation. I don't know. Eight of Swords is somebody who's all up in their head, mental. It's a mental game. It's a mental mindfuck. But it's self-imprisonment. You're the only one who can get yourself out of that prison. Maybe people, whoever this is, you or your person, self-sabotages and creates all this conflict and drama. Six of Swords. Somebody wanting to sail away. Maybe this person feels like they want to sail away from you, or you want to sail away from them. The Six of Swords. Because the fives are about change, and fives are conflict, chaos, competition. I mean, it's a hard knock life right in the fives, okay? You're halfway to where you want to be, but you got all this chaos and confusion and shit around you. Alright, so listen. Six of Swords is getting away from all that murky water to where there's smoother sailing seas. Maybe you have kids that you want to give them a better life, right? But this is all about going towards where the seas are calm and there's harmony, and you know what? I can hear the birds sing and all that good stuff, right? I can zen out in this type of energy. But that five shit's got to go. High Priestess, some Cancer Piscean energy. This is somebody listening to their intuition. Somebody heeding their intuition. This is about manifestations. This is about the High Priestess energy. She's reading a book, gaining that spiritual knowledge. You know what I mean? That knowing that she has, the door has been opened for her to go deeper, to learn more, and maybe somebody's manifesting this, this going deeper spiritually. You know what I mean? Maybe somebody's paying attention to their intuition and listening to their intuition here. But the High Priestess doesn't say a lot, but the High Priestess can keep secrets too. So maybe this person feels like they're keeping secrets or you're keeping secrets. Somebody feels there's a lot of swords here. I'm just saying. Four of Swords, rest and recovery. We saw do we see the Three of Swords in this one? I don't think so. Maybe I'm thinking of a previous reading I just did, but this is the Four of Swords. Somebody needing to rest and recover. Somebody really needing a break. This is all about self-love and nurturing yourself. Maybe healing from a broken heart, because the Three of Swords is heartbreak. The Four of Swords is needing to recover from that shit, right? That's not easy. And I have Five of Cups. Somebody feeling as if they missed an opportunity here. Missed an opportunity in love. And they have regrets. They have regrets. Look at all these choppy seas right here. Look at all this choppy water right here. That's all that conflict and chaos and shit, that somebody wants to sail away from. Somebody just was emotionally in turmoil here with all this choppy water. Maybe that's why they rejected love in the first place in the Four of Cups. But the Five of Cups here is saying, hey, wait a minute. Ding, 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 ding. You know what? Oh, shit. I fucked up. I had love. Spirit was offering me love in the Four of Cups, but I rejected it. I denied it for whatever reason. Probably because I was emotionally all over the place, unstable, murky, high seas water, But now I realize I missed an opportunity here. Wow. Okay. All right, since we're doing your person, and we have the Five of Swords on the bottom. Conflict. Ugh, good gosh. All right. So Taurus, your person, what are some of the challenges your person feels are in the relationship? Some of the challenges your person feels are within the relationship. What does your person feel? Oh, I want to come out. Three of Swords. We just talked about that. Heartbreak. Being stabbed in the heart 3 times. Having to go heal in the Four of Swords right here. Heartbreak. Damn. The challenges for both is this heartbreak hotel. What else, Holy Spirit? Heartbreak. What else? Got to be kidding. The Five of Swords again? The Five of Swords again. Conflict. What kind of relationship is this? There's a lot of conflict here in this relationship. I don't know if this is past, present, or future. I mean, I can ask for the now, but damn, Spirit's going to give me what Spirit wants to give me. I have a Queen of Swords here. A Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Queen of Swords, been around the block once, twice. She might have been married, divorced, single parent, whatever. Okay, but she might make some head over heart decisions because she's been hurt in the past, right? But she's willing to listen. She's fair. You know, I mean, air energy is all about, intellectual thought process and communication. And she's willing to listen, but you got to come to this queen correct. She'll chop your ear off or something. You see, her sword is like razor sharp, so you can't come to her half stepping and thinking you just gonna bring all this chaos and conflict. Like, she's like, and that's a no, and you will leave without a limb. I'm just saying. Okay, can I have one more card? What is going on? What is this challenges for both? Princess of Swords. This Knight of Swords would like to rush in and give this message of truth and clarity. This Knight is holding the Ace of Swords, which is all about truth and clarity, that air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So somebody wants to speak truth and clarity here. All right, somebody's starting a new chapter of their life at this full energy. Yeah, this is air energy too. Lots of air energy here. I don't know what this is about, but somebody's going to start a new chapter, a new cycle in their life with this full energy. Somebody's going to trust their hope and faith and jump off this cliff and start this new cycle, this new chapter in life. All right. And when you start anew, it's all new abundance, all new blessings. Okay? Trusting in Spirit. Oof. Okay. And then what do we have for Taurus? What are your challenges? Taurus, how do you feel that your person what are the challenges, Taurus? What do you think are the challenges for you in this situation? Taurus, what are the challenges for you in this situation, in this love situation? I got Knight of Cups, this Knight wanting to rush in and with this message of love, right? That's some of the challenges. I don't know why. And I have a Four of Cups here. Somebody rejected love, like we just talked about. Somebody was distracted, they rejected it, they didn't want it, whatever. Because look at all these high C's. That's emotional instability right there. All right. All right, Holy Spirit. Taurus, what does Taurus feel the challenges are? What does Taurus feel the challenges are? Aside from the, I've got the 8 of Cups sideways. The 8 of Cups sideways. Letting go, right? Cutting losses. Maybe this is a blockage. Maybe it's been so hard to get out of it. Maybe it's been so hard to let go of whatever this situation is. Is this a breakup? What the fuck's going on? I don't get it. What else? One more. Challenges as far as Taurus is concerned for the situation. Excuse me. Challenges that Taurus feels. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups in the crossing. This queen, this loving, nurturing queen. I don't know. She's sideways, so maybe she's not as loving, nurturing as, I don't know. Maybe she's a tea leaf reader, but this Queen of Cups is in the crossing energy, which is either strong energy or there's a blockage as far as this Queen of Cups energy, this Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy. All right, some people look at crossing cards to be reversals, but I don't know. Sometimes we get sideways too, you know. All right, one more challenge for Taurus. Challenge for Taurus. Please show us. One more. Okay. All right. Oops. Well, I guess there is no more. All right. So we've got the Knight of Cups. Somebody wanting to give that message of love. The 8 of Cups. Somebody not sure whether to walk away or not. They're crosswise. They're not sure what to do with this Queen of Cups. This sideways Queen of Cups. There's a blockage here. This is weird energy here. Yeah. It's weird energy. What's the shared energy between Taurus and their person? Shared energy between Taurus and their person. Shared energy between Taurus and their person. What's the shared energy? Shared energy between Taurus and this person. Shared energy between Taurus and their person. Can you show us? Shared energy. Well, I got a card. I have a few cards that turned over on their own. All right, well, I've got the Page of Wands that fell on the 6 of Pentacles and the Hermit in the crossing. Page of Wands is a new opportunity, maybe. Somebody's curious. Maybe a new start, maybe. I've got the 2 of Swords. Somebody conflicted. The World. This is the completion of this. Maybe the completion of this chapter here. For Taurus and their person. Maybe they're wrapping it up. And I feel like somebody's just going to be focused on their money. Just focused on making the money. Didn't we say that earlier? I think we said that earlier about somebody's focused on making their money. Yeah, their business, you know. And the wheel. The wheel spins, and it's about, you know, what you're, well, it's like a closing because it's 10 cards, so it can be the closing of the cycle, just like the wheel, right? But it's also about your luck. It's also about your fate, your destiny. What did you put out there is what you're going to get back. You reap what you sow, right? So it could be good karma or bad karma, one or the other. And then Temperance. Temperance landed on the Six of Swords and the Five of Cups here. This Temperance card, the Sagittarius energy. You may be involved with the Sagittarius. I don't know. But it's keep calm. Keep the faith. Spirit's working in the background. But I feel like, it's also about staying balanced. And I feel like somebody's not feeling very balanced or temperate in this energy. It's somebody's crosswise. So, yeah. That's the shared feeling, is that I feel like I think somebody might be closing this situation out and starting a brand new cycle. Let's move this over and get on with the rest of the reading. Alright, Taurus, I've got the romance cards. There's a strong physical connection. A lot of passion, burning desire. Ooh, wow. Pay attention to the signs and signals and clues. All right. Spirit's always trying to talk to us and give us guidance. I have third parties in reverse. All right. There's 3 people in this on this card, one watching from afar. Okay. But this is in reverse. So I feel like this third party situation is over. I feel like there's real feelings here. Well, and besides a lot of passion and divine timing. Yes, this is a divine connection. I love it. And then we've got love language. Somebody's love language is physical touch. Very spicy, Taurus. Damn. What's up with that? Second set of cards, I've got children. Your love life may be affected by children. Somebody's calling in their soulmate. Heart-to-heart conversations are being had or will be had. I've got codependency here, Taurus. Be careful. All right, addictions are affecting your romantic life or will. I've got maybe you two are going to go on a retreat, but these 2 people are wearing wedding gear. So, Taurus, you getting married? What's going on? Maybe this retreat is actually a honeymoon. I don't know. Let go of control issues. Oh, okay. This is a past life relationship. All right, this is a soulmate situation. Worth waiting for. Ooh, damn. Bow, chicken, bow, wow. All right, Taurus. It's not okay. Them cards, them tarot, I'm like, what's going on in the tarot right here? But the oracle is a little bit better, more palatable. What do we have here? All right, I've got soulmate energy. All right, it says your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this, and they will manifest physically. Damn. Okay, I love angels. We saw the angel wings, right? In the charm, right here. We saw the angel wings. It says, the past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. Oh, yeah. Follow it with that faith, baby. Only. I've got somebody is manifesting miracles here. Somebody is manifesting miracles. It says, your dream is soon to become a reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Ooh. And twin flames. Yep, soulmate situation. Ooh, your passion ignites. This is a very fiery situation here. A lot of fire going on here. Damn. All right, I've got, here we go. Passion. Damn. There may be some time spent apart. This could be past, present, or future. All right. I've got somebody perhaps is not their best self, or was not their best self, or will not be their best self moving forward. I've got a lot of unspoken words, a lot of unspoken thoughts. All right. So I'm feeling like this is something from the past. If it's unspoken, then it's something that has already transpired, so maybe past. Okay, I've got somebody has a lot of doubt, or did have a lot of doubt, or will have a lot of doubt, and somebody is or was fighting these karmic battles. Somebody was in a karmic situation, right? Lessons needed to be learned, so Spirit put them in a karmic battle. All right, and some of you literally had to fight for your life to get out of it. I feel like a lot of you are now, but it may have taken, somebody not being in their best self. It could have taken some time apart, separation of some type here. And what else do we have? We've got... the answer is yes. Trust your intuition. This is a past life connection. And barrier. Find ways around obstacles to find happiness, Taurus. All right. Yeah. So I'm going to get a pen and write down the time, because if you don't want to stick around, I'm getting some of the folks who are no longer together. I'm getting some of this energy here. So yeah. All right. So if you don't want to hear that, then you can sign off now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is for people who might be going through a breakup, a separation, what happened in your situation. I've got somebody felt or feels incomplete. There is no time frame in the spirit realm, so it could this could be you're feeling this way now, you already felt this way, or you will feel this way. Okay, somebody feels incomplete. Somebody feels or felt like they were losing themselves. Maybe somebody was being very needy and codependent. Somebody is not being them, or you're not being you in this connection. Somebody's wearing a mask here, not being their authentic self. Somebody has released this anxiety here. All right, maybe somebody suffered with a lot of anxiety before. Maybe this breakup or whatever this is has released it. I've got I've got rejection. All right, maybe there was some form of rejection. Somebody was is very demanding, and somebody was tired of getting breadcrumbed. All right, yeah, I want the whole damn cookie. Don't breadcrumb me, shit. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. All right, shadow energy. People who are no longer together. Why? Somebody was too demanding. And guess what? Look, wait. Look at this. Look at this, Taurus. 2 cards that say the same thing. Demanding. Damn. Demanding and possibly codependent? Shit. No. Wow. Somebody was bottled up or kept their feelings bottled up. They didn't speak their truth. Somebody was unpredictable. All right, they were a live wire. You never knew what was going to happen. And somebody was two-faced, right? They played with somebody's emotions. They're not who you think they are. Okay, not who you think they are. And lastly, we've got somebody maybe grieving over this loss, but grieving. So there was a dark side there. There was a dark side, okay? Yeah. It says your dark side keeps you from enjoying the love you have. Don't let it steal your joy. All right, so somebody has a dark side or lets their dark side interfere in life in general, but especially love and relationship. I've got somebody's distant, or there is distance between you. This could be somebody who's who is emotionally unavailable, or there's separation or distance between you. Somebody is tired or will be tired. Yep. And somebody was just damn childish. All right. Wow. This was an interesting reading. Stay strong, Taurus. This has been a really interesting and weird reading all at the same time. All right, but stay strong, courage, bravery, keep moving forward. One foot in front of the other. All right, get out of that 5 energy. No more conflict, no more chaos. We're moving towards smooth waters, baby. Smooth waters, all right, where there's emotional intelligence. 2 people come with equal cups of love, right? Not all this sword energy. I mean, your person's side, there was so much sword energy. There was no cup energy there. None. All right, Taurus. Until we meet again. All right, love you guys. Sending you loving, supporting energy. Okay, namaste. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys. Take care. Bye.